So last year we held on to the no grief for anybody slogan, and this year I was expecting Nigerians to come up with another slogan. We are unbelievable. But nothing of sorts, and I believe some of us have our own personal slogan. Mine is we move regardless. So whatever works for you, hold on to it and work towards it. And this brings us to these 5 hacks for productivity in 2025. This is not one of your motivational videos. I'm not a motivational speaker, and I just feel these are regular and easy hacks that if one puts into practice, he or she will be more productive. Welcome to my channel, guys. My name is Princess Angie. I'm a theater artist, model, and content creator based in Lagos, Nigeria. These 5 hacks and more have been quite helpful to me over the years, and I am still on them. So I thought to share for a productive 2025 and beyond. Let's get right into it. So first is identify who you are. Trust me, confidence comes from knowing who you are. We know we are made of God, made by God, created in his image and likeness. That alone should give us some sense of identity, when we know that we have God in us, around us, and we are confident, we move around, we have his protection, we know our abilities. That alone is an identity, and it boosts our confidence. If you know you are good at what you do, you don't need a million validation from anyone. Even if 10 million people are doing the same thing as you know yourself, you know this is your area of specialty, and you're confident that, okay, yes, I'm good at this thing. I don't care if there are 1001 superheroes out there or superheroines. I am a superhero in my own field. I can do this, I can deliver. That is some sense of confidence that comes with identifying who you are. You'll see a queen or a prince or princess like me moving around proud, with the sense of I am royalty, my father is the king of this kingdom, blah blah blah. So that is a sense of identity, and that person will be confident to do anything in that community or kingdom. So we know that God is our backbone, He's our Father. He has enabled us to do things beyond our imagination and all. If we have that sense of reasoning and we have that assurance living in our hearts, trust me, we will deliver beyond our imagination. That brings us to point number 2. Work on your weaknesses. Oh, I sleep too much. I'm late again today. I can't sleep. My body likes to sleep. Really? So if you discover that sleep is your weakness, and you keep making out excuses of, okay, it's in you, it's in your gene, it's in your family, this and that, my darling, there won't be improvement. So if you know that sleep or any other thing is your weakness, if you don't put in the action, if you don't put in the work yourself, it is not going to improve in any way. It is not going to improve. So your weaknesses, they are yours. You identify them. It's not like you're proud of them or you brought them up upon yourself. Everyone has weaknesses. We all have our weaknesses and strengths. So work on yours. We may not be perfect, we may not perfectly get them, but the efforts you put in to trying to make it work or get better really goes a long way in boosting your productivity, to be honest. Because if you are fond of going late to work and it's a weakness and you don't work on it, how do you think your performance at work will be? By the time you put in effort, you work on it, you begin to go early, it shows, and you've grown and you're doing well for yourself. You're being productive. Number 3 is identify your strength and leverage on them. Listen, if you're good at something, you know deep down in you that, okay, if it is this, I am 100% good at it, then leverage on them. You don't feel, okay, because someone else is good at this, it's the same thing now, and you relax. No, if you're good at your job, if you're good at your business, if you're good at a particular angle of your life, or you have this very nice character trait in you, don't relax, keep at it, be confident, and let people know that, okay, yes, this is you and it's a good thing, and you're passing it on to others. Leverage on it. Let people know you for who you are. Let them know and talk boldly and confidently about you and be like, oh, this person, if it is this area, leave it for that person. The person is good. And don't hide or be in your shell when you know that, okay, I'm good at this thing and I'm needed here. Show yourself to the world that you're good in this area and you can deliver. Number 4, don't wait for the perfect time to do something good. In quote, something good. Imagine you having this idea and you put it down, maybe in a note or on your phone. Then you relax. If it comes to your mind to do it, execute it, and you'll be like, I'll do it tomorrow. After all, this idea is mine and it's unique. I've not seen it anywhere. My darling, you may see this idea being executed by someone tomorrow, somewhere. You may be wondering, did this person bump into my notes? Did I mention it to someone? This and that. And you end up regretting why you didn't execute it. So it's better you think it, you put it down and you do it. And even if you think a lot of people are doing it or someone else may have this idea, don't worry, the sky is enough for everybody to fly. It is large. We may have 10 people running printing business on one street. What makes you unique and makes yours different is you. It is you that will put it out there. It is you that will make it unique. It is you that will make it yours and make it fly. Okay? And lastly, choose happiness. Listen, nobody is worth sacrificing your happiness to. Apart from we pleasing God, who is above everyone, who is in heaven, by serving Him and giving Him our all, no human being is worth sacrificing your happiness for. Listen, at the end, everybody will be all right. If you keep living to please people, this person will talk, that person will talk, I can't do it, let me just. If you're not doing something bad, if you're doing something unique for yourself that puts food on your table or that helps you grow or anything, you don't have to please people. Your success will shut them up. Last, they'll be all right. They'll come around. Everybody will be fine. I wonder how these people, the public figures, are coping with hate comments, hate speech. You see people pouring out their hearts. You see people doing their thing innocently, genuinely from their heart, and you see people attacking them. And I wonder how they cope. A lot of people give them basketballs, but some are just so calm, peaceful. They don't care. Like they know, so they don't bother. They don't give themselves headache. If you just shut yourself, like shut people's mouth, do your thing, succeed, everybody will come around. Last, everybody will be all right. Do you, do yours, do what makes you happy, do what you're comfortable with, as far as it is moderate, genuine, legit, and decent. You'll be fine. So thank you for watching. If you found these tips helpful, let me know in the comment section, and if you have more, kindly add them in the comment section. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.